Rilla has been a huge help for us. It's made our manager a lot more effective in how he can support the team. He can effectively be on a ride-along with every single one of our sales reps every day. My name's Austin Walling. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer for Rebath in the Southwest. We're the nation's largest full-scale bathroom remodeling company. Without Rilla, it would be much of what it was before, right? Mario was able to get on usually at most 4 ride-alongs a week with all the additional administrative tasks that he was having to do. And of those 4, maybe 2 or 3 would be full demos that he can actually see the whole process and go through the coaching on them.
Physical ride-alongs, we were doing maybe 3 or 4 a week, but not consistently every week. With Rilla, every day I can listen to everybody's one appointment. I have 11 people right now. I can do about 11 skill set reviews every day in a week. What I can tell you is a particular individual was able to sell over $1 million in sales, which in the past normally takes design consultants a year. Some don't hit it. He was able to get there pretty quick.
When I first started, I was getting 1 or 2 a month for ride-alongs. With Rilla, having to be able to go back to your stuff and talk about it with your sales manager is only going to benefit you. I can go, hey man, can you check this out? I feel like I did this really well. Listen to this, Rilla. I need some help here. I realized like this one kind of got away from me. It feels like it opened the door for communication, whether it was good or bad.
High-level improvements after using Rilla really is the impact I've been able to make on my team.
I would absolutely recommend Rilla. The level of support that our sales manager has been able to provide is unparalleled to what it was before.